Hey, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Phil, and we're the Cocktail Dudes. Today we're going to make vanilla syrup.
This is a very simple sweetened syrup to use in your favorite cocktail that you want to add some rich vanilla flavor to.
Sure.
Right? Specifically for use in the North Remembers cocktail from Ryan Williams, who was one of our guest bartenders. This will tell you how to make that, or it's nice to put in a cup of tea, Phil, right?
Yeah, if you're a teetotaler.
Yeah. But it gives you a nice rich vanilla flavor along with the sugar. And it's simple. You just need vanilla beans, some sugar, and water. Over at the range, into a medium sauce pot, you'll pour 15 ounces of water, 15 ounces of granulated sugar, and 2 split vanilla beans. Just take your vanilla beans and split them with a sharp knife, because it's the tiny seeds inside these pods which have the vanilla flavor. We'll stir this all together over medium heat, dissolving the sugar and allowing the tiny vanilla seeds to come out of the pod and get incorporated into the syrup. After the sugar is dissolved, we'll remove it from the heat, let it cool a bit, and then pour it into a clean bottle and cap it.
So here we have our vanilla syrup. It's going to yield about 3 cups, and it's going to last in your refrigerator for up to 8 weeks.
Enjoy.
Cheers.